Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Happy weekend. It's weekend. The vlog is starting from here now. I'm vlogging for my son's birthday, so I'm going to take you guys along everything that we are going to be doing for this birthday. Okay, today is Saturday, Sunday. From today till tomorrow, the decoration, the food, the cooking, I'm going to take you guys along everything. It might not be one video, but it might be 2 or 3 videos because it's going to be too very long. Okay, don't know. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do consider to subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. My son is completing 1 year tomorrow, so the vlog continue. So guys, I am home. I just got home, guys. So guys, this is me, and I am not the one to videoing this thing, so you guys are going to bear with me because I think this particular place I was the one that was doing the video, but at a point I was not the one that was doing the video, so you are going to bear with me. A person that was doing the video did not capture a lot of places and all that. Okay, so this was my cookies people. Hey you guys, this place, I so much love this party, and this was my friends that came to help me, and this Mama Delight, the other one is called Naomi, and this is called Mama Delight. You know, this particular, she is my friend. She helps me a lot anytime I want to do party, you know, so she's the one that always come to help me to cook. You know, so at this particular point she was missing the turkey that we are going to be using. This is the only turkey that we want to use. I think we have another one that we are still going to be cooking later, because people are not much. We are just like 10 people or 8 people, you know, just a little bit of get together party kind of a thing, you know. So this is our meat sauce. Okay, and that was our black soup. We cook our black soup, a banga. This is meat sauce. This meat sauce, they didn't even finish it, guys. Don't look at it that this thing is so small. It's not small. They didn't finish it because a lot of food, like the rice that we cooked, they did finish it. This is the time we were cooking rice. This is the first rice that we just finished cooking, the first batch, and another one came. We use we I think we cook rice like 3 times, you know. Now I don't have the biggest pot, so this is my 2 pot. We use it in cooking it 3 times, you know, and the rice was so much, and all of them, the rice, like, it was much, you know. So a lot of food, the food was extra and all that, a lot of things. Yes, so this was the cooking part, and the cooking part is done, you know. So, and the next thing, we are going to enter the decoration part, and this is the lady that she came to decorate my house for me. You guys wait for the handy part of this decoration. You are going to love it. It's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god, I love the decoration. Everything about the decoration, very simple, classic, and so beautiful, you know. So the lady, she don't want to show her face really well, so I have to capture some places where her face was not showing, so I don't want her face to show, you know. So this was the time that she was doing the decoration. You guys are going to see the prince or the king that she used, and it was fine, you know. My son and king now, our prince, anyone you call it, prince and king, they are all the same, as long as say na man dey answer the boat. So me na the boat I dey call my son. He the king, is the prince, na the same thing, you know. So you people will see it just now. It's so beautiful, you know. So yes, after that, guys, we go ahead and we celebrated the birthday. The birthday was so good. At least a lot of people turned up. It was not much, but I think it was like 10 people. We celebrated it together, and it was so fun. You know, in Italy, you have to do your thing inside your house, you know. So it's not like any other country Nigeria, like UK. I love those places so much that you go outside your house, like outside your compound, your garden, you celebrate your birthday, with a lot of people. You play, you joke, you do all those type of things. In Italy, you don't, there's no space like that, so you have to celebrate it in your house, in your parlor, in your sitting room, so yeah, that is how we roll over here. That is how we do it. Or else you want to go and rent a hall. If you have the money, you can go and rent a hall. Then you celebrate it, do card, invite people as much as people you can invite, so but we just want to do it, mark it first birthday like this, after I don't reach 18 years now, or 15 or 16, 18 years birthday is going to be bump. Like, we are going to do it in a very big hall. We're going to do it in a large way, a very large way, so at least just to mark 18 years birthday for your son or for your girl is very important, so. And this 1 year is very important as well, but this one we just want to do it inside, and it's very it was very good, and we love everything about it. Okay, yes guys, this was the king that I was talking about, the prince or the king. See my boy now. Hey, you guys wait and see the finishing part of this decoration. You are going to love everything about it. You are going to love it. It was so cheap. I love the lady. She did her thing very nice. It was so cheap, and she really tried, so it's not easy at all, easy. Yes guys, then after that, I ordered the clothes. I ordered for my son. It did come. I have to go to Kiko and buy a new set of clothes for him, so yeah. So this was when it was blowing the balloon. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Hey. So guys, so this was when he was tying the balloon, and the balloon. You guys don't mind me, I'm so happy. Oh yeah, now see the birthday boy. Hey, see the birthday boy. Gay, Joshua Makpamina. Hey, see the birthday boy. The birthday boy was dressed up to go out with daddy. I want to go and buy something, and oh my goodness, my son don't want to leave this balloon of 18. Look at him, birthday boy, come, let's go and buy something. You don't want to go out, oh. Yeah, and this was when she was hanging the balloon. Hey, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. You guys, I'm so happy. So this was when she finally hung it, and this was the final look of the place. Oh my god, very simple, classic, and lovely. This was the final look. I love it. I love the simplicity. I love simple things. If you know me, you know that I love things that is so simple. Even dressing, I don't love things that I will do that will inconvenience me in my life. I don't like it. Dressing, hair, all those things that will convenience me, I hate it. Like, come and dress all this big dressing that will come and convenience me. No, I don't like it. So this was when my son was cutting his cake, and he was crying throughout the whole day, and it was cryable, and the birthday boy was celebrating. So we cut the cake, and nothing much, because the person that was videoing it, he did not do it very well. So my friend advised me to just post the video just for a memory's sake. I don't wanted to post it because the video was not long, and so we shared, we opened the wine, we shared share. Is it share? She's chinchin, we chinchin. So we chinchin, guys, and yeah. It's just like this, and we celebrated it. We snapped pictures with people that came with us to celebrate with us, and this was when my son was crying, was looking at everybody. I think my son was crying because he didn't know a lot of people. I don't really know why. Yes guys, if you watch to this time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider to subscribe, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Look at me now. Gay. Hey, see the birthday boy. Hey. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I really love you guys. You all are super amazing, for checking up on me, for liking my video, for watching. Bye guys, I love you.